Hello, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, we're here in Bohol Organic Farm again. Still. We're gonna go in the horticulture place with Paul there. Hi. And here's Ella.
Hello.
And Danniel.
Hello.
Look at that cactus.
Cactus.
Look at the wild
Succulents.
Yes, that's just like my
The wild
budget.
pigs
It's
is
cactus.
Lots of different varieties of succulents.
The wild pigs are there.
Yeah, we go
These
to
are
the
tires.
tires.
Tires,
Yeah, more on recycle. Look at that cactus and succulents there. Plenty different sorts.
Wow.
Look at wild boars.
Oh, wild boars.
Yeah,
Wild pigs.
yeah.
There's a lot of poops.
Oi! Watch out!
Oh, heck.
The tall guy needs to watch out for the head, you know. Oh, gee.
Wow, so what do they use the pigs for?
They use for meat.
Right.
They make sisig.
So they kill them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait till they grow big and fat.
Hi, come on. We go down and then
Yeah.
we go to the area where the massage. But anyway, we're not going to do massage yet.
No, that's right.
I just have to show you, tour around the place.
And they're motorbike tires. Whatever they mean.
What?
They're motorbike tires.
Yeah. Very small. Passion fruits in the top. Look,
Ah.
you can see that. Hanging around. Oh, the fish pond is no water. No water because the water is not very much.
Because if there's a water, there's no fish in it. And there's a lot of frogs.
Yeah,
Living
frogs. Dead frogs too. Yeah. We go in that direction there.
Down there.
Yeah. That's where the massage area. The strawberry are dead, must be.
Strawberry farm.
Yeah. Actually, Paul, we have land there at the back.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, my family have
good.
land there at the back.
What is
Before, this is just a cow and carabao pasture place. Yeah. But now, it's become a agri-tourist.
Yes. I mean,
Oh, that's a fish pond. But no more fish. No water.
No fish, no water.
At that.
Day, hello day. Naman day. Doon tatandok sa iya. Bong kay mama yung liit ka. Ah, bunggan.
This is the mushroom production area, you see?
mushroom production area.
Yeah.
Yes.
If you want to study how to grow mushroom here, you can.
I wonder if they make a beef Wellington pie out of that. Wow. The concrete roof.
Yeah.
Still a lot.
Scary, right?
There's a lot of tilapia.
That's the room up there. You see that? The building there? There's a room that you can sleep.
Where?
There. There are
Oh.
sheds there.
Yeah.
That's like a
hut.
little rooms. Yeah, hut. Yeah. Hi, Doy. Hello.
What's up, your father, gentleman?
Yeah, look at that.
Pretty.
Yeah. This is their place where a massage here.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. And the sauna is down here. Look at the big one. That one. Big pot. Yeah, they're gonna fire that and you just sit there.
Oh, they put a fire and then you sit in it.
Yeah, and they're gonna put flowers. That's the sauna.
Wow.
Yeah.
But I'm not sitting there for my massage.
No. Only massage.
Yeah. Just massage.
Horsey. The chocolate here is there. You know.
Oh, chocolate mountains, chocolate
Yeah.
hills.
Yeah. In
They'll be a bit
Carmen.
melted by now.
Yeah.
Melted.
At the back of this area, there's a coconut tree up there. It's my grandfather's land.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. We went there and we collect bananas, taro, coconuts. different sort.
What's taro?
It's the ones that we cook. Gabi is like a with a heart shape thing. You know, it's a root crop, still a root crop.
Oh, yeah, I've heard of it, but I don't know what it is.
We cook it before. You see that in the plate with the corn, with the sweet potato. Yeah, it's another types of root crops.
Oh, okay, yeah. Like
Yeah.
it's pumpkin or something.
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
All right. Actually, there.
See that horse down there?
Yeah.
Do you know what its name is?
No.
Mr. Ed.
You said why?
Because, just Mr. Ed.
Just because.
Just because.
Just because.
Well, you have to look it up. I won't say why.
Lagkaw.
Ito sa aming lakaw.
Akong gisusi, akong giduaw. Nagpabilin pagihapon ang handumanan sa gugmo. Ang lagaw nga handumanan. Iso na muang. We go another up there, a bit hilly. Ooh. Oh.
See, we're locked there.
Uyay, kaluoy sa bata. There are ducks there. Quack, 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 quack.
And tilapia.
This plant is Madre de Agua. Madre de Agua. All the animals can eat this.
Oh, can they?
Yeah.
Daniel, lunch is ready.
Madre de Agua, you eat Madre de Agua.
Wow.
Madre de cacao. Ayan, ang sahak ko din.
Ladies first. Very gentleman. Not a gentle dog.
Bahalang sakit ang bagtak.
Bahalag sakit imong bagtak basta kay nakalaag. Maogayod ka na. Ay, dere. Pip, 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 pip.
I'm gonna go first.
Yeah, yeah. There's a cafe there. Oh! She want to be first.
Very tired.
Litus.
Lettuce. Oh,
Yeah.
lettuce, yeah.
Litus. Oh, gee. It's not good looking now, the strawberries, because of the hot weather. Woo.
Not tired, just hot.
There are swing up there, I think. There are swing, Paul. You can swing there, up there. Okay.
Oh, this is punishment now.
It's a penitence.
Very tiring.
Tiring but relaxing up here. For sure. Ah!
Agree, Lord.
Coffee break.
Stop for a rest.
Hey. Dari tali ko na relax.
Ala ka, Mama. Mama. Ala ko.
Alright. It's not worth it.
You've probably been here before, haven't you?
Huh?
You've been here before.
Ala, view.
View!
Beauty
Yeah.
and the beast. Swing.
Especially where it's hot. Walking up.
Exercise.
What's that?
It's over exercise.
That exercise is punishment.
Yeah.
Hi Ella.
Way.
Is that free?
Careful. Ah, you see?
You broke it.
No, it's only broken, but still not wrong.
Ala ka, doon yawa.
No,
Why are you?
Hot! Lagad, bali mo ang tingog!
Huy, sige. Huy, singit mga bad mo. Pila na di ka minutes? Ay, 12 minutes na di ay. Alright, this is how it looks like here. And Mospa.
wala ko dito to. So, na ganun ito
Oh. Taasa, ginang bundukas high speed, no? Kaya mo rin lahi ba? Haglok lang na, og ko ana, mahimong bulkan.
Bohol ya, kan eh.
It's a mini hut there. Sit in here.
Oh, I can see here.
We broke it. Maybe you can move in that other side.
That's alright.
Oh, Doy. It's not worth it, Doy.
No, it's not.
It's a punishment.
Punishment.
I wouldn't sit on that. Too unstable.
Uy, namaot mo na Saire, uy. Saire, hindi magkasay. Mura kag Buddha.
Marag budang ko.
Buddha.
It's amazing what you can make out of tyres.
Yeah, people are so creative, you see.
Yeah.
Creative. I know someone knows how to do it.
I wonder how they do this. They might
They
put
cut.
something on it, make it stronger.
The Nile on it.
Hey?
There's a Nile there.
Yeah.
And then actually they put another, I think reinforcing and underneath, you know.
So where we go now? Back down?
Yeah,
Later.
the guy must be down there already.
Thursday.
He's waiting.
39.
He's not earning any money while he's waiting, is he?
Yeah, anyway, we have to go down slowly.
No,
Naglibag dyan ko, ma. Sa dyan may kadyo ng bali.
Complaints department is closed, sorry. Can you sleep in that hut there? You're too tall to stay that There's a big
Well,
room
I
up
won't
there.
sleep standing up.
Uy, Dayang. Diana. Hi. Enjoy your swing.
View ka dyan na. Sama,
You.
there's Chocolate Hills.
Like that. Oh.
Yeah, well, I'll start walking back down.
Right. Daniela. Time's up.
Yep.
We're going now. Going home. Daddy's waiting for us for sure. He wonder where are we.
Oh, in there, all right.
Ha?
Kasi kagmuligid ka na ni ma.
No. With us Diana, oh, already walking down fast, very quick, eh? Our tour guide, Diana. Di gyud pwede sa daddy dal no? Kapoy. This coming up here is not daddy's recommendation. But he came here last time, I think last year, yeah.
Oh, that's all right.
Yeah, that's right.
He has to hold me very tight and you have to come up.
Yeah.
Hi, Daniela.
naman ko pa.
Uy, you're still drunk?
Still drunk on soft drink.
Yeah, in the soft drink.
Uy.
Nanay.
Tarango na taning atang video na ni, uy. Everybody, let's go. Ay.
Oh, so many steps.
If you have like this business, step by step.
Yeah, that's right. We're seeing a picture of you on the video.
Hmm?
It's all right.
All right, maybe you say goodbye for this vlog. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Okay, thank you for watching.